Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Puneet Khatri and today we are going to talk about something that has been a critical issue in the Facebook ads world over the past one and a half years. I guess you would have figured it out by now, and the thing that I'm going to talk to you about is ad account restrictions. So well, this is something that you cannot eliminate now because it has become a part of the process, and if you are going to run and scale ads on Facebook, then definitely you would be facing this. And if you're watching this video right now, my guess is that this has something that has happened to you maybe very recently, because I'm going to be honest with you, this is something that happened with me today. One of my clients had account in which in last one and a half months, we had spent close to $17,000 in the ad spend and made somewhere around like close to $40,000 back for the client. So that's all. Okay, that's a separate matter. I don't want to talk more about that right now. The thing that we need to focus upon today, guys, is that what could you actually do in such a scenario wherein all of a sudden your ad account gets restricted and you are at the rock bottom. So lucky for me, this was not the business manager, it was just the ad account that got restricted, and also there were few couple of ads that were rejected over the past few weeks, because of which I'm assuming was the reason the ad account got restricted. Now, the best thing that we did over here was we had backup options ready. As I was telling you guys, restriction is a part of the process. You cannot eliminate it from the entire process of you working on Facebook and scaling your ads on Facebook. So all you could do, or the best you could do actually, is to have a backup system that could help you to get up and live in no time, because you do not want to waste time. Because if your ads are not live, you're not spending any money, and if you're not spending any money, you're not making back any money, correct? So you do not want to waste any bit of time while you are ready to run ads on Facebook. So you need a system that could help you to get back live in no time, and this is exactly something that we had prepared for beforehand, and which is why today the ad account got restricted early in the morning, and by afternoon or late afternoon we were back up and running as the ads were in review from the other ad account. So let me quickly jump into and talk to you guys about what exactly did we do and what was the process behind it, what system am I talking about, and let's go right into this video. Alright, so guys, the very first thing that you need to take care of is while you're setting up your business manager, you need to ensure that you have spare ad accounts created for you, because once your original ad account, like the very first ad account that you're going to create in the business manager, once that gets restricted, you will no longer be allowed to create a new ad account, because it says that your business assets are under wrong standings and they have some violation, because of which you cannot take that action, right? All of these actions are interconnected and related, which is why if one pauses or stops, others will also stop, and it will not allow you to take those actions anymore. So which is exactly why while you're creating the business manager or setting up the business manager, ensure that you're not just creating one ad account, but you're creating multiple of them. Now I have seen that business managers are permitted up till 10 ad accounts in a single business manager. For the one I'm talking to you guys about right now, I had permission for creating 3 ad accounts under the same business manager. So what I did was set up the original ad account, and then later I set up the 2 backup ad accounts. So in case if the original one goes restricted, doesn't work, or just okay, blah, something happens to it, I have the backup 2 options so that I can start all of my ads all over again using these 2 ad accounts, and all of the assets are still under the business manager. So it's going to take me no extra time to launch my campaigns again. Let me quickly show this to you. So let me quickly jump on my computer and we'll take a look on it. Alright, so guys, now that I'm on my computer, let me quickly hop on to business manager. Alright, so first of all, let me show you the ad account itself. So as you can see, this ad account is restricted. I'm gonna cross this up from the top. You can see ad account disabled as well, and the date range stands at maximum. You can see the total amount spent on this ad manager, or like this ad account particularly, is $17,110. All right, and now let me quickly hop on to business settings, wherein I'm going to show you how you need to set this up. All right, so as you can see, first of all, let me go into business info. So you need to go into your business manager and then go into business info. Here you would see something that says ad account creation limit, and it stands at 5 for me right now. So this is something that increases as in when you keep running ads. When you initially set up a business manager, usually 99% time it would be at 1, but as you start running ads, as you keep spending money, that is going to eventually increase. But it is possible that you maybe start directly from 3 as well. So for me, it was first one single ad account initially. So this is the one that I created, the first one, which got restricted today as well. Apart from this one, I also created these two ad accounts. So that's number 2 and number 3 as the limit got increased. So now also what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the number 4 and number 5 ad account as well, because if I need to use that in the future, I would easily be having access to them and I could run ads from those new ad accounts as well. So now why is this step is going to be very helpful for you? As you can see, this is the same business manager. It's a different ad account. If you see, the pixel is already there, it's all connected and linked. All you need to do is click on add assets and then click on add account and then select all of your ad accounts that you need to link the pixel to. That's all. Then if you come into domains, which is something new, the conversion API after the 14.5 changes with the iOS and the Apple battle, everything, you have the domain verified here as well. So I guess you don't need anything else. All you need is a new ad account and a payment method from which you could actually go ahead and recreate all of the ads and launch them. This is exactly something what I did. So this is the second ad account that I created the ads from today itself. As you can see, I'll go to today. This is where it has spent $42 already for the day. And if I go to yesterday, there was no amount spent because these ads have been set up today itself, right? So that's exactly why you should go ahead and have additional ad accounts in your business manager so that you can get up and live in no time. Alright, so guys, that's about it for today. I guess you enjoyed the video. In today's video, I spoke to you guys about what you need to do in case your ad account gets restricted. What are the options that you have at your disposal? How could you get back live as soon as possible? I hope you really liked the video. I personally enjoyed it because this was something that I personally was facing as a challenge for a very long period of time, but I did the research, went through few things, and I was able to come up with this strategy, and it has been helping me and my clients for last couple of months, and it's been really helpful. So if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to give a thumbs up to this video. Also, do not forget to subscribe the channel. The link would be right down there, because all of the gestures that you show towards me and my channel by liking the content for the videos and the appreciation that the YouTube is going to give these videos after you like them and share them is going to be really helpful for me and my team to continuously produce such content on regular basis. Again, if you think this video could be helpful for someone else that you know, do not forget to share it with them as well. And the last thing would be, comment down below, let me know if you have any questions. I'm actively replying to all of the comments, so ensure you comment down below and get in touch with me if you have any issues. That's about it for this video. I'll catch you guys later in my next one. Peace out.